warehouse raw material and fabric inspection. এটার মধ্যে আছে যে all fabric, yarn, new raw material, stored trims on shelf, clearly marked by customer, order number, type of product, where properties can change during storage, etc. Elastic with receipt and expiry date clearly marked and controlled. Are all good stored and good air circulation, controlled humidity RS below 65, of the floor away from the wall, cover it when needed, no stack too high, is there written procedure and inspection criteria standard, okay or not okay, minimum 10% of the bulk fabric, minimum 1000 meter, representative all color dye lot, check the fabric inspection 10%. Two fabric inspection guideline, 4-point system, alternate between two people every 2 hours and break 2 hours, record keep available for H&M minimum 12 months. Fabric inspection machine, fabric inspection 4-point system, fabric inspection record, machine supplier calibration report, maintenance report, fabric roll coverage, roll identified, fabric roll check person evenly or by shade lot, light working on machine, measurement tape calibrated, roll measure it throughout inspection, side to the center check into the center and fabric color standard available, defect identified throughout inspection, defect board available and calculation correct, fabric roll, inspection by color lot, speed counter, working order, housekeeping cleanness, trim and accessories are properly stored by style, are good condition and sufficient, duplicated approved sign and trim accessories card are made and kept relevant action, bulk trim accessories are different, delivery die lot content with this box, poly bags are inspected minimum 10% against approved standard to ensure quality and color continuity under sufficient lighting. তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে মূলত ফেব্রিক এবং ট্রিম অ্যাক্সেসরিজ ইন্সপেকশনের প্রসিডিউরগুলো মূলত এখানে ডিসকাস করলে এখানে কি কি পয়েন্ট চেক করা হবে। থ্যাঙ্কস অল।